to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keegan. Happy birthday to you.
Here, Mommy, blow it out.
Blow it out.
Yay! Down and just eat Mickey.
Oh,
What is that?
Take a bite. There you go.
Yummy. Oh,
yeah.
That's good stuff,
Happy birthday! Give me some more! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Yum. He really likes the frosting.
I just want to see him share this cake real fast. I was going to like the portions on it.
You sure did.
Yay, this is yummy. Here, you want a bite?
Stuff?
Here, have a bite.
Is that good? Yeah, cake.
You sure did.
Mmm, cake.
There you go.
Yeah, spoon, please. What do you think of that?
Hi, Mommy.
I think he wants it. I think he wants it all.
Oh, this is really getting good now. Here's Mickey.
it was.
Give Mickey a kiss.
Yeah, give Mickey a kiss.
Mickey!
Oh, give Mickey kisses. Keegan, give Mickey kisses.
You gotta know. That was a short little shake, no. It's okay, make it go away.
Any more? You want the ears?
You want
Oh,
some
she had
cake?
to-
Look at this, some cake. Oh, he says, I don't like all the frosting, but I like the cake.
There's too much frosting on my hands. I bet if you wash his hands off a little bit, he'll eat more of the cake.
He might need something to drink. That might be too much. Yeah, see, he wanted the cake.
Oh, now you're taking all the good part away. Look how serious he's getting.
It's okay, Keegan. I'm grabbing the frosting. I'll scrape off my frosting. And eat the cake.
I'll eat the cookies.
Woohoo!
Bright light.
All done?
That's what it sounds like. I'm all done.
That's what I heard.
That's what I say when he's done eating. All done.
Hey, Keegan, are you going poop?
Thanks for putting that on the video, Mom. I mean,
Sorry.
Grandma.
Sorry. Oh! Wow! Thank you. Thank you. Give Danielle some.
Danielle wants some.
Give some to
Give it to
Danielle.
Danny. Give it to Danny.
Give Danielle a
Danny
piece.
some.
Give Mama some.
Good old bunch full
Give
here.
some to Mama. Say, Mama, take a bite. Here, Mama. Right Wait a minute, I'm busy. I gotta get this. This is a great shot.
Yeah, good boy, Sharon.
Okay, we're ready. Gonna give Daddy some? Give Daddy a bite. Give Daddy some.
Take
Give
it,
me a
Mike.
bite.
Oh. Bigger than you were on Thursday.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just wearing a smaller shirt.
Nom, nom,
Wearing a tighter shirt, that's all.
Give Daddy some? Oh, there you go.
Yep.
Keegan, can I have some?
Not till January.
Can I have some?
No
I
way.
replaced smoking with eating.
Mm.
You sure you don't have more than one in there?
Well, that's.
I'll have another episode next month. Me?
I put a lot of frosting on the top.
Nancy likes frosting.
Oh yeah, I got lots of it too. Those fingers were just covered. He's such a good boy, Sharon. Yay! Those mosquitoes and things?
Yeah.
Yep.
Say yes.
Yay!
Home, your home or home Michigan? Home Michigan home. Max, I don't remember them being so many mosquitoes. Oh, I do. We went up there when it was still cold, so there weren't any bugs. There were a lot.
What's that?
There,
What's
we had
that?
mosquito bites
What's
all
that?
over us when we left. Well, I almost caught the bad dad.
Come on, Keegan, get it.
I had mosquito bites all over my ankles, mainly my feet.
I'm done, Daddy.
What time of day was it?
All done, Daddy.
We spent a lot of time outside, so it was nice. It was cool. But isn't it wet over by your parents' house? Like, there's your parents live over by the elementary school, right? Right across from the.
Oh.
Right across from the Claire.
Oh, look at that.
There by
Yay!
Lake. Oh, they weren't out there before, though, right? Well, they were living out by Vishal Lake. Trying to remember the last. They didn't live there. The cabins, those cabins right there. Yeah. And then they moved down in the Vishal Lake next to my grandma.
I think that was the sign of
doneness.
I think you did really good on that cake, you guys.
I
You should be impressed.
What lake is right here?
Yay,
It's so long since
Keegan!
I've been up there. But it's a long, that's far. Yeah.
Here, I still
Dun,
want to share.
dun,
I still want to share. Does anybody want some? Daddy, have some.
But we spent more time. We were at Philomena Birdie's more than we were at my parents' house. We had a lot more talking, so.
Mm.
And it's not that bad down there at all.
Big old smile.